show you 5 ways to tie your scarf. I'm going to show you with the help of this scarf, and I'm going to tell you how you can tie it in 5 different ways. And you can try this when you're going to office, college, or anywhere for an outing with your friends, or it can be even used for formal purposes. So do definitely try out all these styles and let us know in the comment sections which one of these 5 was your favorite. Without any further ado, let's try out this scarf in 5 different ways. And yeah, let's begin. These were the 5 ways that I talked about, and do let us know if you know more of such ways to tie your scarf. Tell us in the comment sections about more of such topics if you want us to make videos on. And yeah, if you like this video, hit the like button, share this video, and hit the subscribe button as well. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.